Hello YouTube. This video is about this Tunturi Elliptical. If you have an elliptical, you might have noticed a bump while you're working out. I've tried fixing this several times and I think I've finally got it figured out, but I'll make a real quick short video on this. Here's the elliptical. It's a Tunturi CF35. There's a plastic cover right here, and this flywheel comes off. You have to remove this Allen head bolt. I've got it taken off over here on this other side. As it was turning, this bolt, you see this bolt right here. It's 15 millimeter. You see I've taken off this arm right here. Anyway, check this out. See that movement? There's about a 1/4 inch of play right there. And I've tightened this bolt up. I put Loctite on there. It hasn't helped. So here's what I've found out. This whole flywheel right here comes right off. It's a little square axle right there, and apparently it's got some wear on it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap some electrical tape around this square axle right there and take out the slack, and hopefully that will fix it. And when I tighten this thing back up, I'm going to probably put some Loctite on there. I've got a couple Loctite products. I've got a blue Loctite stick. It's great. It's sort of like a little stain stick. It's so easy to do. You just put a little dab on the threads and it'll lock the threads in place. I also have some Loctite Viper Lube, and I'm going to place that on this little bit right here so it's nice, has some grease on it. I'll probably put some grease on the little wheels right there. While I have this out, I'll probably clean this out a little bit. But I think this is a short video. I'm not a professional YouTuber, so I'm making a short video. I hope this helps. I couldn't find much on these elliptical machines on YouTube, but I think that this will work. I'll put in the comment section if it works. I don't have a video editing system, so I'll just let you know if it worked or not. My other choice is what I might do is I have another product by Loctite. That's not it. It's a two-part epoxy. It comes in this little thing. You tear this off and you mix it up in this little cup. It's just a little bit of two-part epoxy putty. I might put that two-part epoxy putty on there and then put that wheel on there to see if that'll take out that little excess slack. Just a 1/4 inch, but I think the electrical tape will do it.